Good afternoon, sir. I am Raymond Lofranco, a student of Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation, UBSMT. My section is East Treaty, and I'm from Inabanga, Bohol. Resilience is important in the BSMT program because it prepares maritime students to handle the physical, mental, and emotional challenges of life at sea. It helps students develop ability to cope with stress, adapt to difficult working conditions, manage emergencies, and remain effective during long voyages and demanding duties. Resilience ensures that future marine officers can maintain performance, safety, and professionalism even under pressure. This course will help me become a successful seafarer by strengthening my resilience, discipline, and ability to handle stress and challenges at sea. It prepares me to stay focused, adaptable, and professional in demanding situations, ensuring safety, efficiency, and personal growth throughout my